morning, everyone. Today, I have come up with the topic of probability. In this particular chapter, we will learn about what is probability, what are the common terminologies that is being used in your chapter of probability, and what are the type of probabilities. So, let's get started. First thing that comes is random experiment. अच्छा चलो उससे पहले बात करते हैं कि प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या है. प्रोबेबिलिटी मीन्स कि आप कुछ भी काम कर रहे हैं तो उसके कितने चांसेस हैं कि वो काम होगा या नहीं होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपने कॉइन को टॉस किया, उसकी चांसेस क्या हैं? या तो हेड आएगा या टेल आएगा. करेक्ट. आपने डाइस को रोल किया, लूडो सब ने ही खेला होगा, आपने डाइस को रोल किया तो उसके चांसेस क्या हैं? अगर आप डाइस को रोल करेंगे सो ईदर यू विल गेट 1 और 2 और 3 और 4 और 5 और 6. आप 7 तो नहीं पा पाओगे ना. सो दिस इज़ नोन एज अ प्रोबेबिलिटी कि मैं अगर कुछ भी काम कर रहा हूँ, इफ़ आई एम गोइंग टू परफॉर्म एनी टास्क, what is the probability or what are the chances that I'll get a specific or this particular outcome. So now coming to some of the common terms that we use in probability. So first is a random experiment. So what exactly is a random experiment? Random experiment is nothing that if you are performing any task or if you are performing any experiment, then there is a possibility that you will be getting more than one possible outcome. It could be anything, and the prediction, you cannot guess that what you will get next. So there are few examples of random experiment. So let's say that tossing of a coin, it's a random experiment. आपको नहीं पता है कि अगर आप कोई कॉइन को टॉस कर रहे हो तो आपको हेड आएगा या टेल आएगा. अगर आप डाइस को रोल कर रहे हो तो यू डू नॉट नो कि आपको कौन सा नंबर आएगा. Correct. So these two are the examples of the random experiment, and there are many other examples which will covered into the later chapters. नेक्स्ट कम इज आउटकम. आपने कोई भी एक्सपेरिमेंट परफॉर्म किया. आप क्यों परफॉर्म करते हो? क्योंकि आपको एक रिजल्ट चाहिए रहता है. सो दैट रिजल्ट इन द टर्म ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी इज नोन एज आउटकम. कि इफ़ यू आर परफॉर्मिंग एनी इवेंट और एक्सपेरिमेंट, व्हाट इज़ अ पॉसिबल outcome or the return that you will get. So in the random experiment we have taken the two examples. One is the tossing of a coin and another one was rolling a dice. If you are tossing a coin, either you will get head or tail. तो ये head और tail जो है, this is your outcome. ये जो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 you roll a dice, this is your possible outcome when you roll a dice. Next is an event. It is a set of one or more outcome of a random experiment. आपने कोई भी एक्सपेरिमेंट परफॉर्म किया, ठीक है. इट इज़ एक्चुअली अ सेट. इट इज़ नॉट अ सिंगल इट इज़ नॉट अ सिंगल रिजल्ट, बल्कि इट इज़ अ सेट ऑफ द रिजल्ट. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपने किया कि गेटिंग एन इवन नंबर व्हेन अ डाइस इज रोल्ड. तो इवन नंबर क्या क्या हुए? 2 4 and 6. करेक्ट. तो इसका जो सेट है, दिस इज नोन एज द इवेंट. इट इज़ अ सेट ऑफ one or more outcome of a random experiment. Next is getting a head when a coin is tossed. You are doing what कि आपने एक कॉइन को 10 बार टॉस किया, ठीक. 10 times you have tossed a coin. तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल उसमें आपके पास 4 ही बार हेड आया, देन इट विल बी दी सेट ऑफ all that result or the outcome that you have get. So if I am saying कि आपको पास 4 बार आया है, so this is your event. Correct? Moving ahead, what is a type of events? So there are 4 types of events that happen. One is the elementary event. It means that it only has one outcome. उसके अलावा और कोई outcome नहीं है. We will elaborate this in our upcoming videos जब हम लोग exercise या question solve करेंगे chapter के. It has only one outcome. मतलब उसका जो result आएगा वो खाली एक ही आ सकता है, उसके अलावा कुछ नहीं आ सकता है. And the sum of the probabilities of all the elementary event of an experiment is 1. For example, if you are tossing a coin, तो या तो आपके पास head आएगा, correct, और या तो आपके पास tail आएगा. So the probability of getting a head in performing an experiment is 1/2, and the probability of getting a tail in an experiment is also 1/2. So it is saying the sum of probabilities of all the elementary event of an experiment is 1. So if you will add these two, you will get 1/2 plus 1/2 is equal to 1. Correct? In the same way, while rolling a toys, getting a specific number is also 1/6 for every number. Getting a 1 is 1/6, getting a 2 is 1/6. Next is equally likely event. It means that when all outcomes have same chance of occurring. Means that if you are tossing a coin, either you will get a head or you will get a tail. When you are throwing a dice, the chances of getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 are also equally likely. Means you do not know कि आपके पास next क्या outcome आएगा, and either you will get a head, या तो आपके पास head आएगा या फिर tail आएगा. Correct? So all these two events are equally likely event. कि इसमें आप प्रिज्यूम नहीं कर सकते हो कि आपके पास हर बार हेड ही आना है या हर बार टेल आना है या फिर हेड ज़्यादा आएगा टेल कम आएगा. You cannot judge this thing. So when all outcomes have same chances of the occurring, that the coin can only land in one of the two possible way. Either it will be head up or tails up. We can reasonably assume that each outcome, head or tail, is as likely to occur as the other. We refer to this by stating that the outcome head and tail are equally likely. In the same way, if we'll come to rolling a dice, then the equally likely outcome of throwing a dice are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Moving ahead, coming to the third type of event, that is the impossible event. Impossible event is like it's a probability of an event which is impossible to occur. Means if you are performing an experiment और आपका outcome जो है वो आ ही नहीं सकता है. So we say it as that P of E is equal to 0. We demonstrate impossible event in this particular form. Example, आपने dice को roll किया. So is there any possibility that you will get 7? Is there any possibility you will get 10? No. You will get a number from 1 to 6 only. Correct? Coming to the sure or certain event. So the probability of an event which is sure or certain to occur is 1. So such an event is called a sure event or a certain event. Correct? So the PE is equal to 1 in the case of sure or the certain event. Complementary event. Complementary event is nothing but it means it is represented as P of E naught. is equal to 1 minus P of an event. So what does this mean? That the event E representing a not E is called a complement of the event E. Means अगर कोई event हो रहा है, ठीक है, और एक event नहीं हो रहा है, तो उसकी probability जो है, जो उसका equation है, that will be equal to 1. We will solve this equation in our next video. कि how we will prove that a complement of an event is actually is equal to 1 minus probability of that event. So thank you everyone. Hope you understand that what exactly a probability is and what are the possible terminologies that being used in a chapter of probability and what are the type of the events. See you in the next class.